go, let's go. Welcome back to Veeology. Well, today we are coming in the kitchen to do a little bit of cooking. So, what are we cooking today? I am going to be doing a rendition of the HelloFresh. My son get HelloFresh, so I taught him how to do it. He does it on his own, so he ordered HelloFresh. But on yesterday, I took some of his things down just to look at some meals. So this one looked very promising. So this one is the Arthur Avenue pork sausage and pepper heroes with melted mozzarella and garlic cheese wedges. Well, if you know your girl, I don't do no garlic, so we will not be doing garlic. So here is what it looks like. So it looks so good. I was just like, oh, see, this looks good. So here are the ingredients. It is gold potatoes, yellow onion, pork sausage, Italian seasoning, mozzarella cheese, long green peppers, garlic powder, tomato paste, and a baguette. But guys, I'm going to show you exactly what I am going to be using. Have my golden potatoes. Next is a yellow onion. So this is, hopefully it's a Vidalia. My daughter picked it up. So hopefully it's a sweet or a Vidalia onion. We have lots of sausage because I will be making a meal for 4. So I have my sausage, and some of this is onion sausage. Next, guys, we need seasoning, and I'm going to use my own seasoning. So I have Kinder's. This is the Buttery Steakhouse. So this is Kinder, and this is the Butcher's All Seasoning, and this is Grill Mates, and that's the sweet and smoky. So those are the seasonings that I will be using. Then it is some long green peppers. So I have some green bell peppers. The garlic powder, skirt, we will not be using. Girl, don't do garlic. I don't care. Also, we need some tomato paste. So we have some Hunt's tomato paste. And the trick to it all, guys, they said to have some baguettes. Well, this bread from Kroger, guys, so good. So we will be using this artistry bread from Kroger. So guys, no further ado, let me go ahead and start getting things prepped. We got to cut some peppers. We got to do some onions, cut up some potatoes, and definitely brown our sausage. So let's go. Hey, let's go, let's go.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
Only shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, I'm really hurt. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done.
So this is the results of the meat, guys. I have sampled it. It does taste good. It doesn't taste like my original, but it tastes good. And these are the caramelized onions and bell peppers. So I have already did the fries. So we put the potatoes in the air fryer, and this is what they look like. So it is time to plate. Okay guys, now we are all done cooking, so you know what time it is. It is time for us to plate our food and to give it a taste test. So let's go ahead. I am going to be using my round plate. So we're going to be using this artistry bread, so let's go ahead and get the artistry bread. And y'all don't mind my hands, because when I am cooking, I am definitely into washing my hands on everything. When I'm moving around, I must wash my hands. I'm just that OCD, and it's just clean, being clean. So this is what the artistry bread looks like. It is absolutely so good. So we're gonna go ahead and open that bun here. And now next we're gonna go ahead and add our sausage sauce. I call it sausage sauce because it's Italian sausage. And I did taste just a little bit of it, and it's absolutely so good. So I was very, very much so impressed. So now let's go ahead and add our sauteed onions and bell peppers. And you know that is one of your girl things I absolutely love. I love bell peppers and onions. So let's get that all stacked up there. So now it is the mozzarella cheese. So I just have some Walmart Great Value mozzarella cheese. So let's go ahead, and I think I'm gonna add 2 slices on that. So let's go ahead and add that mozzarella on here. And be careful with the cheese for Walmart. It has those papers in there, so be careful. I don't want you to eat paper. So let's go ahead and just add the mozzarella on that. So now what we're gonna do, let's go ahead. I see I just put that one little onion on. I got to have my onions. Let's go ahead and pop this inside the microwave just for a short period of time. And the only thing we're looking for, we're trying to get our cheese melted so it would have that nice cool gooey taste. You know what we absolutely love. So as that's getting done, we're gonna go ahead and pull our fries. And guys, these fries look so good. I can't wait to taste it. And with me, guys, I love ketchup and mustard, and I mix it together. That is how I like my fries. So while I'm waiting, let me go ahead and grab my ketchup and mustard. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I like to put it in there. Make sure your ketchup and mustard, you shake it because you have that liquid come up. So just go ahead and shake the ketchup and mustard. So, oh my gosh. Guys, look at this bad boy here. Look at that. Just look at that. I know my plating and all is not presentable right now. So now what we're going to do, go ahead and add our fries on this. So let's just put some fries here on that side. And they smell so good. And we did it in the easy way. We just pop them in the air fryer. So now it's the big thing. My ketchup and mustard. So guys, this is how I do my ketchup and mustard. This is how I've been for so many years. I don't like my ketchup in one thing, my mustard on there on the side. No, this is exactly how I like my ketchup and mustard. So you already know what time it is. You know what time it is. It is time for, taste test. So guys, let's go ahead on with this taste test. Now look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. You know, I gotta go ahead and taste my fry. Well, it's not, it's more of a wedge, a potato wedge. Oh yeah. So good. So look at that, guys. Now tell me. So let's go ahead. Look at that. That looks so good. And let me catch my pepper. We're not gonna let the pepper go away. So that is it. So let's go ahead and taste that. It just gives you a good southern sausage burger. It is so good. And with this bread, guys, I know it probably would have been good with the hoagie. So with this artistry bread, it knocks it up 10 notches. So guys, I want to bring you into a quick cook with me. Something that I promised you on my last video. And if you have been watching my video up until now, you already know what time it is. And what time is it? Giveaway time. So guys, this is what I want you to answer. How many packages of sausage did I use for my recipe? How many packages of sausage did I use in this recipe? That is what I want you to answer. And the very, I always go the first person. So therefore the first person that answered correctly will be the winner. That answered this correctly, you already know you're the winner. And as you're commenting, please go ahead and drop your Cash App in your comment. So once it dinged to me that I have the third person, I can go ahead and Cash App you, and you will see a Cash App come to you, say congratulations. So guys, you already know what I'm about to do. And don't ask for none, because you won't get mine. So let me go ahead and end this video right here. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. Tell them that Veeology is in the kitchen. And you know what I said at the end of all of my videos? I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye. Oh, bye.